To check the markets. Good morning, Scott Crothers with Stifel Nicholas.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right. How did we finish up yesterday?
Yesterday, the Dow was up 58 points, closed at 24,290 on optimism that the tax reform will pass this year. We were up more than 300 points, but technology stocks sold off, keeping the gains in check. Industrials and financials led the rally, and Boeing was one of the best gainers for the day. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.38%. So,
yeah, how about Boeing? They were up like $6 or so.
Yeah, they were up at $8 at one time, all the way to 280. I think they ended up closing at 277 or something like that.
Yeah, up $6 and change. So good for Boeing. All right, Discovery Communications. What's going on there? Right,
Discovery Communications, the owner and operator of TLC and Animal Planet, increased its stake in OWN to 70%. OWN is a joint venture between Oprah Winfrey and Discovery and has original programming from Oprah. Oprah will remain in her positions and be responsible for content until at least 2025. Right now, Oprah is worth a mere $3.7 billion.
That's all?
That's all.
Just as long as they keep Welcome to Sweetie Pies on the OWN network, we'll be fine. All right, what about Apple?
Apple and Ireland have come together on unpaid taxes from 1991 to 2007. The EU forced Ireland to collect the back taxes, and both Apple and Ireland will continue to protest the tax bill, but it looks like Apple will start paying the $15 billion tab early next year.
All right. And then global growth. Where are we with all of that global growth?
Right, exactly. While our stock markets are hitting new highs, we are also seeing strong global growth. The earnings of over 20,000 listed companies are up 19% from last year, and the biggest jump since 2011. Also, a global economic index is having its best run since 2010. The IMF sees global trade up 4% this year versus 2.4% last year. So that's a good sign.
All right, good. And then markets today, Scott Crothers.
Today, the Dow looks up 50 points. Most investors will focus on tax reform, but we get a look at the ISM Services Index this morning. The economic reports have been good recently, so we expect a good report today.
Scott Crothers, have yourself a good day. Great job. We'll talk to you tomorrow.